Welcome to Activity 32. Today I've got my friend Emily here. Do you want to say hi, Emily?
Hi.
We're going to be talking about the difference between English and maths. In English, we write a word. This says 14. In maths, we write 14 like that. And this is called a number. There's a very fancy word, numeral. Can you say numeral?
Numeral.
Both number or numeral mean this type of writing. So this is a number or this is a numeral and this is a word. I'm going to say either number or numeral or word, and I want you to use my pointer and point to the correct circle. The children in class can point along with their fingers. You ready? Word. Number. Word, number, numeral, numeral, number. Tricked you. Word. We'll do two more. Number, word. Well done. Emily, in English, a word is written using letters. These are letters. In maths, a number is made up of numbers inside that are called digits. This is the word digit, digit. This number is made of 2 digits. This word is made of lots of letters. We call this one a 2-digit number because it's written using 2 digits. In the number 14, this digit 1 is not worth 1. It's actually worth more. Are you ready for a surprise?
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually worth
10.
Yay! Whereas this digit is only worth 4. But together they make 14. Welcome to Activity 32. To complete this activity, player 1 needs 10 of these cards. Emily, you're player 1. Can you give us a wave?
Hi.
Your cards are called tens cards. Now, they have the number 10 written on them. They're also tens cards because in maths, tens means 2 digits. 1, 2 digits. I have the ones cards. Now that's a bit unusual because most of them are not 1. That is not a 1. These are called ones cards because they are each made of 1 digit. Well done. Can you check that you've got 10 tens cards? And I'm going to check that I've got the ones cards from 0 to 9 in order.
Yep, they're all there.
Fantastic. To complete this activity, we need the 10 tens cards and the 10 ones cards. We also need one of each block from 1 to 10 in a jumbled pile. Today, Emily, we're going to be counting backwards. See this arrow? So to get our heads ready for backwards, we're going to start with the longest block. Can you put the 9 there? And we'll take turns because we'll work together and we'll go from the longest to the shortest. Taking turns. Oh. And then you'll have 1 10 left and that goes there. So we went longest to shortest and then an extra 10. Now we need to check that our numbers are all up the correct way, especially our 6 and our 9 with the lines on the bottom. Now, Emily, you're player 1. Can you put the tens cards on top of each number 10? And I'm I'm going to put the ones cards on top of all of the numbers. Now we're going to work together to write the numbers. When we write numbers, we write the tens digit and then we write the ones digit. We write the tens digit and then the ones digit. Now we're going to take turns. Can I ask you to sit on your knees so you can see? Or you can stand up because it's very tricky to see all the way over the blocks. Okay, so I'll do one more and then we'll take turns. I say tens, then ones. And I make sure I've got my triangles lined up and it's next to the correct block. So can you have a go at this one? Say tens.
And the ones.
Good. And I'm just going to use the word then. So as when we write, we remember we write the tens, then ones. Yep.
Tens, then the ones.
Good job. Tens, then ones.
Tens, then the ones.
Good. Tens, then ones.
Tens, then ones.
Excellent. Now it's your turn. I've got Karis here with me for the last part of this session. She's going to help me count backwards. Now, we're thinking about going backwards. So, Karis, can you start at 19? I want you to point where the triangle is as you count, and I'm going to listen for that sound in the teens. Off you go.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
Well done. Now I'm player 2, so I'm going to count, pointing to the triangle, and you're going to listen for the sound. The students at school can count along with us. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Thanks very much. Now it's your turn.